Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to create lists in Amazon and Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly of course I'm going to open my Amazon applications, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And now go ahead to this profile at the bottom, and after tap on this list options guys at the top. If you want to create your new list, here you can tap on this plus icon at the top. After, you have to list the name of your folder, and maybe here I'm gonna change it as a random, you guys. And after, tap on create list. Here you can add an items by tap on this add item at the top. After, you just have to enter your new list, you guys. For example, here I'm gonna make a new list for the bracelet like this. I'm gonna tap on it and it was added to my list. And also for the glasses, and to check it, here you can go back. This is for my list on my Amazon, you guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.